This is a brief overview of the meetings page on Grain. Here you can see any of the upcoming meetings you have, as well as a history of the previously recorded meetings that you have captured with Grain. Both the upcoming and the previously recorded meetings will show the date, the time, whether it was internal or external, and the title of the meeting. You can also list a number of other properties and change what is listed by selecting up here in the top right hand corner. You can choose to add trackers, views, clips, meeting type, and much more. This is a good way to personalize what information shows up and is readily available for whatever your use case might be. Another important thing to call out here on the meetings page are these different teams at the top. These are different libraries that organize the meetings you have in Grain and make sure that the right people are able to access the right meetings and information. My meetings will always show all of the meetings that you captured, that you had a bot in or used desktop capture to record. Next, it will name the team that you are a part of. Everyone is only part of one team on Grain, but then after the divider is a list of the teams that you are subscribed to. And you can select this plus button to unsubscribe from teams or subscribe to new teams or create new teams. This meetings page also lets you change how you capture meetings. You can choose to use this plus new in the top right hand corner if you want to capture an ad hoc meeting. You can do that using desktop capture, bot recording, or you can upload previously recorded meetings using file upload or Zoom import. You can also change any of the upcoming meetings you have based on auto capture rules. If you want to change it to record with the Grain bot or the desktop or not auto capture at all, you can control that with the drop down here on the right hand side. The last thing to mention on this meetings page is the Grain AI here in the bottom right hand corner. This is a chatbot that you can ask questions and it will respond with the context of all of the meetings and data you have within Grain. So you can use it to search or to aggregate any of the data you've collected.